Question 5. Find the way to finish the box by choosing the correct answers. This is a puzzle. Okay, let's try. So we start here. 3n minus 2 times 27 n is 1 over 81. Okay, so this 27 and 81, we can bring it down to 3 power something. So 3n minus 2, 27 is 3 cube. And 81 will be 3 power 4. Okay, so you can just check with your calculator lah. 3 power 4, 81. Right. So then, since this is 1 over 3 power 4, we can write it as 3 power negative 4. Okay. Now let's simplify. So since this is times, the power we have to plus. So it becomes 3n minus 2 plus 3n is 3 negative 4. So since the base is already same, we can compare the powers. So n minus 2 plus 3n equals to negative 4. n plus 3n is 4n. So 4n negative 2, we bring that side, will become negative 4 plus 2, which is negative 2. So n is negative 2 over 4, which is negative 1 over 2. So the answer is this. Right. Okay. So we have to go this way. Now we have to solve this. 4 power x plus 3 minus 4x plus 2 equals to 3. So here, since the number bases we cannot make it same, what we do is we expand this. So 4x plus 3 will be 4x times 4 power 3, 4 power x times 4 square equals to 3. Then 4 square and 4 cube and 4 square, we can solve it lah. 4 cube is 64. 4 square is 16 equals to 3. So 64 oranges minus 16 oranges, we get 48 oranges. So 48 4 power x. And then this we can bring here, become divide. So 4x is 3 over 48. 3 over 48, we can simplify it. 3 over 48 is 1 over 16. So 16 is 4 squared, so we can say 1 over 4 square. And since we have 1 over, we can make this 4 power negative 2. So our bases are the same already now, 4 and 4. 4 and 4. So the power we can compare. Therefore, x is negative 2. So negative 2 is here. So from here, we went here. Now we go here. Now we need to solve this. So 25 x plus 2 is 1 over 625x. Right. So 25 and 625, we can bring it down to base 5. So 25 is 5 square x plus 2. 625 is 5 power 4, I think. 5 power 4, yes. So 5 power 4x. And since this is 1 over, this will become 5 power negative 4x. Now we can expand this. This one will become 2x plus 4 5 power negative 4x. So now the base is the same already. We can compare the power. So 2x plus 4 is negative 4x. So negative 4 we bring over this side. 2x plus 4x. 4 we bring the other side. So 6x is negative 4. Therefore x is negative 4 over 6. Negative 2 over 3. So negative 2 over 3 is this. So now we go up here. Okay. So 2 divide 4x minus 1 is 16 2x. So 2, 4 and 16 we can bring it all to base 2. So 2 divide 2 square x minus 1. 16 is 2 to the power of 4 2x. This is 2 power 1. So since we have divide, the powers will become minus. So let's just expand this first. We expand this so that we don't make mistake. 2x minus 2. Then we extend this. This will be 2 8x. So now 2 divide, right? So this will be minusing this. So 1 minus 2x minus 2. Don't forget the bracket. 2 8x. So now the base is the same. We can compare the power. So 1 minus 2x plus 2. Okay, I expanded the bracket lah. Equals to 8x. So negative 2 we bring over the other side. We get 10x. 1 plus 2 is 3. So x is 3 over 10. 3 over 10 is this now. I mean, once you reach there, there's only one way, right? From this corner, oh no, we can't go this way actually. Okay. So this is the answer. Right, now we are here. So 5n plus 1 minus 5n plus 5n minus 1 is 105. Since these are related by negative and minus and plus, we can't really do anything to the power yet. So what we do is we expand this. So power plus means we can convert it to times. Minus 5n plus 5n times 5 negative 1. Not enough place. Oops, wait. Okay, make it a bit smaller lah. Okay. Right. Equals to 105. So 5 power 1 is just 5. So you can say 5 of 5n. This is just 1 of 5n. 5 power negative 1 is 1 over 5. So 1 over 5 of 5n is 105. So this one 5n, 5n, 5n. We can treat them like oranges. So 5 oranges minus 1 orange plus 1 over 5 oranges. So 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 plus 1 over 5. So we get 21 over 5. 5n is 105. Therefore 5n is 105 divided by 21 over 5. We get 25. So 25 is basically 5 square. Therefore n is 2 lah. So from here, n is 2, this one. So now we are going down here. We need to solve this now. Right. 32 power 4x equals to 4, 8x plus 6. So 32 and 4, we can bring it down to base 2. 32 is 2 to the power of 5. 4 will be 2 square. Then we expand. So if it's next to each other, we have to times. So 5 times 4x is 20x. This one we have to times. So we get 16x plus 12. Don't forget to expand, okay, because here we have plus, 2 different terms. Right, so now we can compare the powers since the base are the same. So 20x is 16x plus 12. So 16 we bring over this side. 20x minus 16x is 12. So 4x is 12, therefore x is 12 over 4, x is 3. So from here, this is the answer, we go this way. Now we are here. Okay, so we have 4 power 2x minus 1 equals to 64x. Same thing, 4 and 64, bring it down to base 2 can. Or actually, you know what? 64, we can bring it to base 4. 64 is 4 cubed. So base 4 lah. 4 cubed. Okay, so we don't have to change both. We just change one of it enough already. So now we have the same base ready. We can compare the powers. So 2x minus 1 equals to 3x. So negative 1 is 3x minus 2x. So x is negative 1. X negative 1 is here. So now we go down diagonally. Oh, hopefully we are at the finish line. Alright, last one. Hopefully. 16 2x minus 3 is 8 power 4x. Right, 16 and 8, no choice lah, we have to bring it down to base 2. So 16 is 2 power 4, 2x minus 3, 8 is 2 cubed, 4x. Then we multiply the powers. 8x minus 12, this will be 12x. Now since the base is the same, we can compare the powers. So 8x minus 12 equals to 12x. So 12x minus 8x is negative 12. Okay, basically I just brought the 8x over the other side. So 4x is negative 12. Therefore, x is negative 12 over 4, which is negative 3. Negative 3, oh, not finished. We haven't finished yet. Okay, so this most probably this will be negative 3 lah. Okay, the last question. Right, let's try. X plus 4 minus 2x plus 3 equals to 1. Since this one cannot make it into same base, we expand. So 2x times 2 4, 2x, 2 cube, 1. So 2 power 4 is 16, 2 cube is 8. So you can say 16 of 2x minus 8 of 2x equals 1. So 2x, oranges. So 16 oranges minus 8 oranges is 8 oranges. So 2x is 1 over 8. Okay, the 8 we bring the other side lah. 8 bring here, become divide. So 8 is again 2 cube. So if we have 1 over, you can make it negative, power negative. So it will be 2 power negative 3. Therefore, x is negative 3 lah, as expected. So we are done. So you go this way, 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 up here and I'm done. That's a long way. Alright, that's it.